being an animal is so much fun. Huh. Did I do that? Huh? Where did he come from? And where's Tony? Huh?
Hello, little brats.
It's Elizandra, the evil witch.
Don't you like the zoo I'm setting up? I'll be rich!
She's turning people into animals.
See you later, alligator. Have fun with your crocodile friend.
Crocodile friend? It's Tony! Look! Ah! Huh? Ah! We have to find a cure, quick! All right, this should work. Uh-oh. We have to give him the potion.
Huh?
Yay! Tony is back!
What happened?
Elizandra turned you into a crocodile, and now she's wreaking havoc in the city. Let's put an end to this.
Run all you want, but you can't hide. Everyone will be my pet.
You wish! Come on, guys. You know the plan.
Don't worry, Plum. We'll give the potion to everyone.
I'll take care of Elizandra.
You stop me in your dreams.
That's all you got. Now it's my turn. Magic, come to me! 1, 2, 3, Super Witch! Now you can be the star of your own zoo, Elizandra.
Here's the last one.
Huh? Well done, guys. Huh? Wow, wow.
Your baby cousin is so much fun.
I know. She is the best. Huh?
How did she even get there?
Huh? Sorry, Peach, but Mom said no magic while she runs some errands. I guess there's no harm in a little spell.
Stop it, Plum. We're going to get in trouble.
But Peach is having a great time. Okay.
Wait, where did she go?
And where is my magic pen?
There she is.
Blast! Get her! home, Peach. No, no! Please don't cry. Come on, Peach. Don't be naughty.
Hey, careful over there.
Oh no! She's turning everything into babies. Blast! No!
Aw, come on, little fellow. Calm down. Oh!
This is a disaster.
Plum,
Huh?
isn't that your mom?
Oh boy, we gotta be quick.
Oh!
Yes! Don't worry, Peach. Taking a nap can also be pretty fun. Oh, she looks even cuter now. Aw.
Plum,
Huh?
aren't you forgetting something?
Oops. It's magic time. Magic, come to me. 1, 2, 3, Super Witch!
Did it work?
Huh? Blast. I'm sorry, buddy.
Pumpkin,
Huh?
what are you doing here? And why is your cousin sleeping on the ground?
Ready for an exploring adventure, guys?
Yeah!
Adventure canceled. The rain won't let us explore.
Aw, I really wanted to go.
Wait, maybe we can explore this room.
Come on, Plum. We know everything about the magic store.
We just need a different view. It's ready! Behold my last creation, the shrinking potion!
A shrinking potion?
Yes! If we make ourselves tiny, we can explore every corner of the store.
I don't know, Plum. What did you do?
It will be fine, guys. Now we have lots of places to explore. Being tiny is so much fun!
You were right, Plum. This is amazing.
No doubt. Are you having fun, Blast? Blast?
Huh? Giant spider!
Run, guys! Run!
We need to do something, Plum!
My magic pen. If I use it, I can bring us back to normal.
Ah! Oh! I'm home!
It's Mom! She can bring us back to normal! Hey, Mom! Mom! Down here!
Plum? Where are you?
Look down! At the counter!
Oh, hi, Pumpkin. You look different today.
We need you, Mom. We made ourselves tiny, and we can't get back to normal.
Oh, don't worry, sweetie. I'll fix this in a jiffy.
Thanks, Mom! You saved us!
Are you sure, Plum? Oh, what a cute, friendly little spider. Ah! My nightmares came true!
Okay, it's my turn now. Magic, come to me! 1, 2, 3, Super Witch!
It tickles!
It seems like you had a lot of fun while I was gone, huh? Hey, the rain stopped! We can finally go outside and explore.
Yay! Do you want to come with us, little spider?
Are you having fun swimming as a mermaid, Plum?
Are you kidding? Wait till I tell Tony about it.
Oh no! A haunted ship.
Haunted? I gotta check it out.
No, Plum! There could be some cursed objects here.
Like a magic mirror?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow! All right.
Let's go explore the reef then.
Let me try, buddy. There you go, Mr. Octopus. Why is everyone so grumpy?
He said that you've been making trouble all day.
That's nonsense.
He wants us to follow him.
Come on, guys. Let's see who this evil twin is.
Who is she running from?
Look, there. She looks exactly like me.
How is that possible?
Hey, you! Or should I say, me? Take that! Yeah. Huh? The mirror! That's it! That's where my evil twin came from.
Then we can use it to trap her.
No! That mirror was our only chance.
Don't worry, Dolphin. Plum will figure something out. You can do it.
May, Blast, get ready. It's magic time. Magic, come to me. 1, 2, 3, help, Blast? Yes! Great job, Blast! Now, who wants to go play at the reef? Boy, this recipe is really confusing.
Hey, Plum. How's the cooking going?
Hey, my star course is a secret. Get back to your seat.
Dahlia and Blast are getting hungry. Need any help?
Thanks, Tony, but I can do it by myself.
Okay, but remember, don't use any magic this time.
Yes, yes. Plum's super magical restaurant will blow your minds. All right, let's get to work. The cupcakes are ready! Let's try them. Oh, yuck! They're awful!
Pumpkin, is everything all right?
Everything is great! Fantastic! Perfect!
Are you sure you don't need any help?
I'm fine! I can do it on my own, Mom.
All right, sweetie. Just don't use magic, okay?
Oh, no. What am I going to do? Of course. This will fix it. Fairy dust. Using fairy dust is not real magic, right? Good evening, my esteemed guests. I hope you enjoy these wonderful cupcakes from Plum's Super Magical Restaurant.
Wow, they look amazing. All right, let's try them. They're delicious.
Really? Woohoo! I mean, duh. What did you expect?
What ingredients did you use?
Nothing special.
What? Do I have something on my face? Ah! What? Plum, why do I look like a lemon?
Well, I might have used a teeny tiny speck of fairy dust.
Fairy dust? We told you not to use magic, Plum.
I know, but the cupcakes were awful, and I just wanted to fix them.
We'll talk about it later, Plum. First, you have to bring Tony back to normal.
You're right, Mom. Let's do this. Magic, come to me! 1, 2, 3, Super Witch!
Yeah, I'm back!
Yeehaw! I did it! Hooray! I'm sorry, guys. I should have asked for help instead of using magic.
Aw, don't worry, Plum. But don't be afraid to ask for help. Why don't we go back to the kitchen and bake together? Oh, that's right. We haven't eaten yet. Everything is better if you do it with your friends.
No! One more level and the victory is ours, Tony.
What was that? Woo.
I think it's coming from outside.
Plum! There's a dinosaur in the street!
This doesn't make any sense. What is he doing here?
We need to do something.
And quick! Blast! Are you okay, buddy?
That crazy dinosaur is destroying everything!
Oh, no! We won't let you take control of our town.
Where's he going?
I don't know, but we need to get him.
Look, Plum! There he is!
He won't get away.
Let's do this! I won't let you hurt anybody else!
Wait, Tony? I think he is sad.
Huh? Huh? Maybe he's trying to tell us something, but we can't understand him.
Yes, we can. We just need a magic translator.
The storm destroyed my nest, and now I have nowhere to go.
That's why he came to the city.
Don't worry, buddy. I know exactly what to do. It's magic time. Magic, come to me. 1, 2, 3, Super Witch! Like what I did with the place?
I think he does.
You know what they say? There's no place like home.